bucket time!
Fishes in the water, fishes in the sea. We all pop up with a 1, 2, 3. Splashing in the water, splashing in the sea. We all bob down with a 1, 2, 3. Fishes in the water, fishes in the sea. We all pop up with a 1, 2, 3. Splashing in the water, splashing in the sea. We all pop down with a 1, 2, 3. In 3, 2, 1. Wow! This begins with the letter O. The letter O. And that makes the O sound. O. Can you make that sound? Wow, that is really good. Yes. O. Now, boats bob up and down on top of this. This is where the fish live, and it's big and blue and really deep. Yes, that's right. It's the ocean. The ocean. Wow. Should we go and explore? Okay, come on.
Jellyfish, jellyfish, I'm a jellyfish. Jellyfish, jellyfish, swimming in the sea. Octopus, octopus, wave your arms like an octopus. Octopus, octopus. Starfish, starfish, I'm a starfish. Starfish, starfish, I'm a star. Shark, shark, snap, snap, snap. Shark, shark, snap, snap, snap. Crab, crab, nip, nip, nip. Crab, crab, nip, nip, nip. Pufferfish, pufferfish, I'm a pufferfish. Pufferfish, pufferfish, dolphin, dolphin, in and out like a dolphin. Dolphin, swimming in the sea.
This is the letter O. The letter O. And that makes the O sound. O. O. That's right. O is for octopus. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 legs. Wow. That is a lot of legs. O is also for ocean, the deep blue ocean. Oh look, I can see a submarine in the ocean. O is also for oysters. Oysters. Oysters are a creature that live in the ocean. Wow. This is the letter O. And it makes the O sound. O. Fantastic!
Yay!
I had a little turtle, his name was TinyTim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water, he ate up all the soap, and then he got a bubble stuck inside his throat. Bubble, 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 pop. TinyTim has left as a present inside my bucket. Shall I take a look and see what it is? He did leave a present. Wow. It's bubbles. That can blow bubbles just like Tiny Tim. I'm going to open them and start blowing bubbles. Are you ready? How exciting. Here we go. Wow! Lots and lots of bubbles. I'm going to see if I can blow a big bubble. Whoa! And lots of little bubbles. Thanks, Tiny Tim. That was so kind of you. Swimming, swimming in the deep blue sea. When it's hot, when it's cold, in the deep blue sea. Breaststroke, side stroke, underwater too. Wouldn't it be nice if we had nothing else to do but swimming, swimming in the deep blue sea. When it's hot, when it's cold, in the deep blue sea. Breaststroke, side stroke, underwater too. Wouldn't it be nice if we had nothing else to do? Yay!
An angelfish. An angelfish is in the shape of a triangle. Yes, a triangle. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. A triangle. This is a starfish. A starfish. It's in the shape of a star. How many points does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points. A pufferfish. A pufferfish. This fish is in the shape of a circle. Yes, that's right, a circle. Wow, look, a diamond fish. It's sparkly and shiny. It's in the shape of a diamond. A diamond. Wow.
Wow, being deep down in the ocean is amazing. Look at all the fish we can see. Wow. I wonder how many fish we can spot. Are you ready? Let's count some. Here comes some fish now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, look at all these fish. 10 little fish swimming in the deep blue sea. Wow. They are making and creating so many bubbles. But are you ready? Let's count them and pop them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! We are really good at counting, guys. Fantastic!
Yay!
Are you ready? One hand goes in the yellow and the other in the red. Are you ready? Mix them up. Oh, what colour is it going to create? I wonder. Here we go. Look, 2 big orange hands. That means yellow and red make orange. Are you ready? Splat. Wait for it to dry and then we can create a picture. I can't wait to see what we can create. Red and yellow make orange. Look, a big orange handprint. This one I put sideways because I thought it might be a good idea to turn it into a tiny little fish. He's going to need a googly eye. Right there, like that. Then a mouth, like that, and a tiny little nose. Yeah. I'm going to give him some air bubbles, like that, up into the surface. And I think I might give him some scales, like this. Wow, look, a little orange fish. But can you remember which 2 colours we mixed together to make orange? Yes! Red and yellow make orange. Wow, look, an orange little fish. Wow, we had a really good time learning about the ocean and singing fish songs. It was really good. But now it's time to put the ocean back in my bucket. I think it might fit. I wonder what's going to be in my bucket next time with me, Sarah Jane, on Bucket Time. I can't wait to find out. I'll see you then. Bye guys. Bye. Bye.
Remember, you're fantastic.